My name is Elliot Jordan, and I'm a senior business process consultant based in Texas. I have over 15 years of experience helping small businesses and organizations define, document, prioritize, improve, and optimize their processes for stronger performance and better decision making. I take my clients through 4 specific phases, which include documenting the process, prioritizing the process, analyzing the process, and finally improving the process. Throughout my 15 plus years of experience, I've been able to work in specific industries such as oil services, IT manufacturing, financial services, utility construction, real estate, as well as food package manufacturing. My focus has been on defining and documenting processes, process prioritization, identifying opportunities for improvement, and using root cause analysis to uncover issues and anomalies. My clients currently experience confusion, which involves bottlenecks within their processes, error and delays, inefficiencies. There's no clear understanding of who owns the process. There's no priorities set, and the same problems keep happening over and over again. So basically, I facilitate the right conversation, apply the right tools, and turn process confusion that they're currently experiencing into clear documentation, ranked priorities, and root cause-based action plans. And so my clients are able to see clearer processes. There's clearer understanding of who owns the processes. There's prioritized improvement, so the team knows what to concentrate their focus on to improving first. There's better decision making, less rework and delays, and there's stronger process performance. So as a result, there's less rework, fewer delays, reduced frustration, stronger decision making, and a business that can operate more consistently with less friction. Basically, what I do is I help clients move from reactive firefighting to a structured process management framework. By doing that, I'm documenting processes that are clear and consistent. Processes are prioritized so the team knows where to concentrate their focus on improvements first. I'm using objective decision-making tools that are data-driven. I'm developing root cause-based action plans that solve the problem but not the symptoms. And I'm developing simple governance routines so that these root cause solutions and improvements actually stick when implemented. So by documenting how work should be done, prioritizing what should be improved first, and identifying root causes, I'm helping clients create the clarity, focus, and more sustainable improvement. As a result of that, they're able to see more profitability. We know everybody likes making profit, right? And that comes from the reduced waste and rework that we identified during documentation, as well as our root cause analysis. There's lower risk to the processes because they're now standardized and controlled. There's stronger relationships amongst the stakeholders and process owners because now their roles and responsibilities are clearly defined, as well as their handoffs. And finally, there's more opportunities for improvements to be identified and implemented, which makes the business easier to scale, automate, train, and improve. If you and your organization have a need for understanding the nature of your processes and operations, you need to understand where to focus your concentration on what to improve first, or you need to uncover some current issues in your processes and be able to solve those issues. Feel free to reach out. I'm happy to have that conversation. Thank you.